Hello guys, and welcome to a new episode on the Linux terminal basics. Today we'll discuss about the regular expressions. They are very well used in Linux in general, in the terminal, in order to find files or to find matches in files and replace them. And we can use them also in text editors. But basically, the main issue I put a video on it is that it is very important for commands like grep, sed, awk, echo also, and locate, and many Linux commands that use regular expressions. So let us start. So basically, what I have now here is a good website. It's called REGEX101.com. This website will give you all the information that you have on regex, and there are books also that discuss regex, so you can also consult these. But first, let us give you a glimpse of what to expect. So first, we discuss about the caret. The caret means I want to search for a string from the beginning. If you notice the violet, it says it directly looks at the start of the line. Let's say I want to say starts with A, so it gives me directly where it starts with A. That's the caret sign. Very well used, and you have to be very careful in using it, because I will use this one and also the $sign, and there's other parameters that I will use. They will be used extensively in other videos. The other one is the $sign. The $sign gives the end of the line. So let's say I want to check, let's say D dollar. This means I want to check at the end of the line the letter D. I have here a head, so it directly gives me what I'm searching for. The other one is the parentheses. The parentheses are, there will be a very big chunk, let's say, of data, and it make them easier to use. And this chunk can be used for replacement. So this parenthesis, which is big, let's say a very complex pattern, it will replace it directly with another complex pattern. So let's say here I want to search for ATA. It will directly take the chunk ATA. I will give another example of parentheses after we finish with the other materials. So after the parentheses, I have the brackets. The brackets, let's say I want to find A, B, C. This means find me a character, one single character, either A or B or C. So if you notice here, B, A are highlighted and C is highlighted. A general one we can use is A to Z. So it gives all the characters, of course, A to Z, the small letter, not the capital letter. So here the capital W is not, the digits is not highlighted, etc. Also, we can use the same one. I will add directly the 0. So AZ 0 to 9. This will tell me take any digit from 0 to 9 or A to Z. So it will give me all the range that I have, but it's only one item. Only one item. I can include to it also the dash. Okay, or I will include the underscore. Both of them are acceptable. So if there is an underscore or a dash, it will also give me a result. The other one is the braces. The braces are very important. Let's say if I have a number, let's say a number, okay, and this number I want 2 of it, exactly 2. So it directly gives me all the solutions for 2 digits. Let's say I want to from 2 to 4. So it gives me all digits from 2 to 4 are my solutions. So this is the curly braces. You can use from 2 to 4, or let's say from 1 to 5, or from 4, etc. to the other, to how much I need. The other one is the dot. The dot is very important. Dot is any character. It's not a decimal number dot. It is any character. If you notice, it highlighted everything. It highlighted everything. The other one that we will use also is the plus sign. The plus sign, let's say I have T plus. This means it tell me either T or double T. So if you notice, we have T and it highlighted double T, maybe 2T, 3T, 4T, 5T. How we use this plus is for, let's say, this one. If I have A to Z and I say plus, this means any character from A to Z, 1, 2, etc. If you notice here, it stops at a space. So we have 3 here. Here I have 3. B. So all characters which are A to Z, it highlighted them. This is very important because we use them in our solutions. So basically, also there is dot star. Dot star also means a character, any character, many times. Let's say, for example, let's say T dot star is everything after T, or dot star T, let's say, everything before T. So it's also very important. These are basically the things that we will cover about regex. If you notice here on the right side, there are the complements and there's other factors. I will not consider most of them, but you can read them and you can practice also on this website. It's for more knowledge on the subject. Let us say I want to grab this number and this number. So how I do it using regex, I will say, okay, so first these start directly, so I have to put caret, maybe a caret, or I don't put a caret, but because they are in the beginning, I put a caret. So the first one is, it's a number from 0 to 9, okay, and this number can be 1 digit or it can be 2. So I say, okay, either 1 digit or 2. Good. Then, so notice you have here 192 and 173 and 92. The tool should be highlighted, not highlighted. Anyway, I put a dash. Then afterwards, I think it highlighted this one. Anyway, I have 3 digits, so I put from 0 to 9. Okay. 3, exactly 3 I need. Okay. Oops, sorry. So I have 2 matches. These are the 2 matches. After that I have a dash. Then I have a digit also. 0 to 9. 3 digit. Okay. And then I have a dash. And then I should have 4 digits. So I put 0 to 9. Okay. 4. Okay. So it gives me the 2 that I needed. Let me continue with something also that surprises some of you. If I say 1.3, if you notice, it gave me 1.3, it gave me 103 and 173. Why? Because this dot is any character. So in order to get this 1.3, I use the same as before with the space. I use the backslash. So when I use the backslash, it will give me 1.3. This is very important. The other one that we have to do is, let's say I want to get the email. How to get an email? You should have 3 chunks. One chunk here, one after the at, and one after the dot. So to simplify things, I'll put bracket, star, at, bracket, slash dot, because it should be a dot here, and there's another bracket. To fulfill this one, I will go fast here because there's not much time to finish all about regex, but let us see. First, I will say it should be can be a number. First, at the beginning, let's say this one. It can be a character, A to Z. It can have a dash. It can have an underscore. It can have a dot. Okay. So these plus, which means any one of the characters multiplied. So I'll get all of this. Afterwards, the at. Here, the same thing, but it cannot be an underscore because the emails cannot be an underscore. So I'll put here 0 to 9, A to Z, dash, dot, plus. Okay. Finish it. And here the dot, what I need, it should be a character A to Z. Sorry, A to Z, and it can be between 2, I think, and 5. So now it gives me this one, this one, this one, this one. So this is how I got all the emails